The vast majority of us make our income through things like wages and salaries, but there's different kinds. There's base pay, there's overtime, shift differentials, heck, there could even be bonuses. But did you know that all this income usually just gets mixed together in this big income soup? And we'll just call it box one wages because it's going to show up as box one on your W-2, which means that that amount just goes transferred to the front page of your tax return. So when it comes to the actual tax return, there's no differential between overtime wages versus base pay. And that's really important because that tells us that there is no separate tax rate for things like bonuses and overtime versus our normal pay rate because again, it all just gets lumped together. So even though that, yeah, maybe overtime or bonuses may push you to a higher tax bracket, that amount still just gets looked at in total in order to find out what your effective tax rate is. Now, I do realize whenever you do get paid overtime or bonuses that they may be withheld at a higher rate, but again, that's the whole purpose of filing the tax return is to reconcile what you actually owed, and if it was overheld, well, you get that back as a refund, potentially.